The Supreme Court has ruled against a controversial abortion law in Texas. Former Texas Governor Rick Perry signed a law in 2013 placing strict regulation on abortion clinics and forcing many of them to close. This morning, the court agreed 5-3. The law unconstitutionally restricts a woman's right to get an abortion. NBC's Brian Moore has the story.
Cheers erupted outside the U.S. Supreme Court this morning as a 5-3 majority struck down what may well have been the most restrictive abortion law in the nation.
Pro-women, pro-choice.
A loss for Texas and anti-abortion forces was a decisive victory for supporters of abortion rights. The ruling, delivered on the final decision day of this term, also affects a dozen other states with similarly restrictive abortion laws. The court struck down a 2013 Texas law that required clinics where abortions are performed to meet the same standards as outpatient surgical centers, and doctors performing the procedures were required to have admitting privileges at a nearby hospital.
Today, women lost. Today, the Supreme Court put politics over the health and safety of women in our country.
Proponents say it was all about protecting women's health.
That this was going to jeopardize, not improve women's health, and that certainly has been the outcome where women have lost their access to safe abortion care in our state.
But there was another obvious effect. The number of clinics performing abortions in Texas fell from 42 to 19 and was about to drop to 10. Writing for the majority, Justice Stephen Breyer said the law provided few, if any, health benefits and posed a substantial obstacle to women seeking abortions. Brian Moore, NBC News, Washington.